I haven't touched my E36 in a while. That's f***ed up. It's not because the engine's bad. It's because my paint f***ing sucks. Touching this car used to bring me so much joy. It's time to get back to that. What up, crew? This is Prjct.Garage. How do you think you got here?
Alright, well Justin, where'd he go? That way. Well, he's on training wheels with creating content. I'm gonna go ahead and, wow, why is this backwards? Oh, you're over there? Legitimately, because you're on that side of the screen, I thought you were over here, which is... So, for today's video, we're finally touching Justin's car, just like he showed, except maybe not in the way he showed.
Exactly the way we showed.
We have some Overfenders by Felony Form that we're going to be mocking up, and then we're going to be shaving the engine bay as much as we can and get it ready for corrective measures. Start tending to the biggest problem of this car, which is paint. This is considered the step one of the process, is to get the actual overfender into place and mock it up. Make sure it's where you want it to be before you start drilling holes, because the worst thing you can do is drill an unnecessary hole that you don't use later. So tape underneath so you don't scuff up the body.
So that I can drill.
Yeah, so I can drill.
Pro tip, most of you guys are going to be doing this on a body that already has paint, so yes, one, it doesn't scuff the paint, but two, when drilling into any type of sheet metal, if you don't have some sort of buffer in place, your sheet metal will shear and you have a potential of creating a hole that's bigger than the one that you intended to make, and bigger holes are never good. So this tape prevents the sheet metal from shearing, which allows me to get the correct size holes when I go to mount this fucking thing, wide body, whatever.
I mean, I don't think I've had this problem with the wrong size hole. You got it mocked up? Are we gonna drill holes?
We got it mocked up right now. I am going to look up the size rib nuts that we are going to be utilizing. We will then space out the holes that we need to and start drilling these holes in. Once the holes are drilled in, we'll take the panel off. There's a couple cuts that I do need to make, you know, such as the gas tank. There's a little shaving that I need to do on the rear headlight. And then we will get into cutting the body. And hopefully I don't fuck this up.
Oh, we're fucking it up. We're 100% fucking it up. Super white Euro. Super white.
Super white, because that's kind of white, but we're about that 1942 white.
That white tape in the Paula.
Yeah, going with the blonde hair, blue eye type of shit.
The headlight's about to be blue.
So I have like streaks of gold going across it. They gave me instructions too on how to paint. A little 2-pager, you know, just in case you don't know what the fuck you're doing like me and didn't do any research and decided to just send it.
You heard it here first, people. We're gonna follow those instructions for half of the car.
That hurts. Oh my gosh, this kind of little.
Oh man.
Look. Thank you, Automotive Paint HQ. I mean, I wasn't expecting a ton from this one because this is like relatively cheap for. Like this whole kit cost me like $300, and I was like, might as well.
Might as well.
Doesn't come out good, and just sand it down and redo it.
Can you go cheap on paint.
We want to tell you the stuff we're not good at,
Our weaknesses.
so we're clear up front.
Yeah, okay, all right. I'm getting smarter. So why am I taking the fuse box out? Because we want to shave the bay. We want to paint the engine bay too, this to match the exterior, I'm pretty sure. And in order to do that well, everything should go. I think he might still be leaving some things like the ABS, maybe the steering rack. Actually, I think we're upgrading the steering rack at some point. But we want to clear it out as much as possible without making too much work for ourselves later. And one of those things is this. Plus, he wants to go with a very clean engine bay, and having a big old fuse box right here is not the idea. So we're going to tuck that into the dash area, probably where the old AC blower is. That's why I'm trying to get it out. And I just realized, I was like, how the hell am I going to get this through? Because there's no bulkhead connector on the backside. It's just a big old bundle of wires running through. But I remembered all of these hookups inserted little clips. Let me see if I can get one out of here so I can show you. Oh. That was an overfender, wasn't me. There we go. Oh no, we lost some fuses. That's a chunk of fuses out of this big housing, which we'll either reuse this or 3D print something super sick that'll work under the dash. That's why, because I just need to take at least those fuses out. It was yellow than brown. Overfender fell.
Come on, man.
Did it crack more?
I want to die.
I've also figured out how to get all the wires through. I would assume we're not using this, but it'll be easy to put back. I probably should have taken a picture. It only fits one way, I'm pretty sure, if you leave the zip ties in. Why is it so tight? Performance issues are common in men.
1 out of 4 men.
Damn, dude. What kind of Loctite they got on this fucking power bolt. Snap this plastic.
Oh God.
There we go.
I saw that thing bend, dude.
Well, this is like the bulkiest part of it. Most stressful part of working on a car.
$20 Amazon gift card. If anybody can tell me what this OG sticker's from.
What? Don't look at this. All right, we got all 4 corners on, or Justin got all 4 corners on. I helped every once in a while. He's going around and making marks where we're going to drill the holes from fiberglass into the body so that we can do the rib nuts. He's going for the hardware look. You can decide before you even start doing all this the type of look that you're going for, and there's really just three. You can go as clean as possible where it looks like it came out of the manufacturer like that, where you put the overfender on or body panel and you do a bunch of Bondo to basically create absolutely no space between here. Or you can go the rivet, which is more permanent and you kind of have to like drill it out if you wanted to modify or service it. And then there's the rib nut, which is more of a hardware look. And then you got other stylistic choices you could do. Obviously, you can go with just a regular Allen head or some sort of small nut head, or you can go with a big, like, $50 looking, and that's really up to you what you want to go with. After talking to Justin, it sounds like we're going to go with hardware look, rib nut, and probably going to go similar to what I have on my BMW, which is a small rounded head, black, so that on the white you'll have black accent. Mark up all 4 corners, drill some holes, take them off, start prepping for some paint. And I got done cutting some pieces off of the engine bay to get it ready for some shaving. Did not successfully do it without drilling through the body, so there's going to be a lot of weld repair. Mostly success. We've mocked up Overfenders. We drilled some holes. Well, I didn't. When I say we, I mean Prjct.Garage did. You know, we do these things
Together.
Lots of stuff cut out of the engine bay. Didn't get a chance to grind it yet. Justin's gonna do that on his own time. But we got the main wiring harness, the chassis harness, fuses and all that into the cabin, which is good. Another thing he's gonna have to do on his own. Sorry, I don't have time. Set up the sanding booth. But he's got a GoPro now. Time lapse that shit. Show you the process. He's gonna look so beautiful soon. Well, I don't know what soon means, honestly.
Like,
ASAP.
I mean, time is really subjective. It's been, what, 9 years since I've driven this car? What's another 9 months?
Is that grow the crew?
Oh, you're practicing! That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new, consider joining the crew. We've got a lot more content like this. We're touching all the vehicles in the most amicable way. You know, can I touch you?
They gave us their consent.
Full consent to drill holes in it. I know, that sounds weird. This E36, my E36, the Evo 9, my Tundra. We've got a lot of content for every single one of the vehicles, so it's a great time to subscribe. We've also got some things scheduling out for Project Pod, finally. So that will be coming back as soon as possible. So join the crew. And of course, we're still doing a giveaway. Icon wrenches, Daytona Jack and Jack stands. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, we pick one of those subscribers to win. You either take those tools or you take the tool credit for Harbor Freight. And if you're not new, you know what to do. Hit the like button, leave a comment, share this video. That is the way that we grow the crew.
Yeah.
Until the next one.
Yeah.
Go f yourself.
Yeah.
We'll see you later, crew. Oh, and either go spend some money on that money pit or touch it, please. It's begging you to
I think I
touch
got
it.
a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They ain't not taught to me never. Give me a shot and I, oof. I swear I shoot like Berettas.